Hi guys, today we are unboxing Christian Louboutin Greekaba chicks pointed toe pump in Bianco. Thanks to Jhune Salenga for helping me unboxing these shoes. Obviously, these are not mine. It's our bride's shoes and her name is Ida. So Ida and Jonathan is getting married. And I have the link below of their same day edit, basketball and wedding video. And I'm sorry Ida for unboxing your shoes without telling you, but I found out she already unboxed these shoes. Let me read the description of these shoes. The hot chick is an iconic Maison Christian Louboutin design, feature a bold cut in hands with a pointed toe and V-shaped notches. It is says on 100mm stiletto heel and is crafted entirely in white. Patent cap leather line with a Lexi Loubi print inspired by ancient Greek writing. So look at this. There's some like writing inside. Sophisticated and enhanced with delicate finishing touches. It is part of the Greekaba collection with illustrations by Konstantin Kakanyes. So thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe. If you are not subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the bell. You will get notification every time we post some video. Thanks again.